When I moved to Kansas City, I did not have a chiropractor, so when the problems started reoccurring, I looked up in my insurance listing to find a doctor, and Dr. Patterson was there, and I chose to come to him and see him initially, and because he was so wonderful and really very helpful and talked to me as if I was a person and not just a patient, I continued to come back to him. It was actually very easy to get in to see Dr. Patterson. I called, and I believe I was probably in the very next day. He's always very willing to see me on short notice. He's also willing to see my husband on short notice, and I've referred several people to Dr. Patterson. He's very willing to listen to the different complaints that I have and try to pinpoint what it is that he can do to help. I have neck pain that stems from several car accidents that I've been in, none of which were my fault, by the way, and also sports injuries. I've injured my back in playing soccer before, and so those are the injuries that I have to maintain, because if I don't come to the chiropractor, then I tend to get pretty severe migraines. So Dr. Patterson makes sure that my back and hips and neck are all in adjustment so that I'm able to work and work out and play soccer and be active and not have to be held back by the migraines that I tend to get when I don't come see him. Dr. Patterson also treats my vertigo, something that I thought I would have to go to my primary physician for. But he was able to work with it and treat it very effectively so that I don't have to take any medication and I can get on with my life within a matter of a couple of days. So I find that to be very helpful as well. We also discuss digestion issues, and Dr. Patterson's very knowledgeable about enzymes, which is something that has been helpful to me as well. So he's really very well-rounded and very willing to work with whatever issues I have.